This assignment is the STCC Handbook Cornell method. Open both the right side document and the left side document. From the left side document, you'll notice that it's already set up for the left layout. So if you choose Layout Columns, it's already been selected for left. And if you click in Columns, it's already been selected as left. And I just changed it to 1.5 and on the left side and 4.5 for the right. And if you add this up, 1.5 plus 1/2 is 2. 2 plus the 4.5 is the full 6.5 across the page. So go ahead and click OK. Control End. I'll press Enter after commitment. And it's time to get ready for the right side, which is a little bit wider. You can see up here in the ruler. So choose Breaks and Column Break. So now to save time typing, go ahead to the right side and do your Control A, Control C, and back to the current document, and Control V. Some of the lines you may have to adjust. For example, mission statement and vision were fine. Dedication, you'll just have to press another Enter. Same thing with integrity. Respect is fine. Community, student-centered, and then one more commitment so that they're lined up. So right now, if we were to view this as one page, it's top heavy, which is fine. We could center it vertically, but instead we're just going to set a top margin. So choose Layout, Margins, Custom, and for the top, type 2.5, so 2.5 inches for the top. So it gives us plenty of room to insert word art, and you can select anything you'd like, and if you change the color, whatever you'd like. Use your 4 arrows to move it across, and I want it on the as a title. So the title is going to be STCC Handbook. I had my shortcut there. And again, if you wanted to change the color, you can certainly do that, and maybe the outline, a darker color or lighter color, whatever you'd like. And you remember transform, so if you want to get fancy with your title, and you can make it larger. And remember the adjustment, so you can work with the adjustment handle to make the, if it's wider or more narrow, or you can choose something else from your transform. And again, you can go to design, and now that we've gotten very creative with our page color, we can go to either more colors and select different custom colors, or go to our fill effects. And again, if you want to try those presets, we never went all the way down. It's calm water, that's nice. And you can select anything you'd like, and there you have it. And that's a save and submit. Thank you.